Will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. Your coastal waters forecast for the B32 listening area for the following marine location: Tampa Bay waters. At 2:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This afternoon, west winds around 5 knots. Inland water smooth. Tonight.
It's quiet. The SFA 1135 went off. It's also just really quiet. But I mean, I expected the 164 to be pretty quiet. Why can I not? Here we go. Goofy freaking 382 didn't go off. Man, you suck. Oh well. At least I know they both activate. So that's cool. I mean, it went off last time I was here for that one SMW, but I should have brought like the 521 instead, but oh well.